Hello, I'm going to show you in this video how to draw a rifled barrel in Google Sketchup pretty easily. That could be used to 3D print one. The first step is to draw a circle with the inner diameter of the barrel that you want. And then you're going to need to figure out how many grooves and lands you want and divide that up into angles. Like, for example, I'm going to do a 4-groove rifling in this drawing. So each land and groove are going to take up 45 degrees, just for this example. So you also need to draw another circle to represent the height of the lands, which would be like, just do the radius. If you want, say, 1 millimeter tall lands or 1 millimeter deep grooves, then you just do the radius of the inner circle 1 millimeter smaller than the outer circle. Just erase the extra lines so you end up with that. And then copy it around, highlight it and rotate it, and then copy it so that you have a full circle made out of these land groove sections. And that's the shape of the inside of the barrel. Now just draw the outline of the outside of the barrel, however big or around you need it to be. Now you need to figure out what twist rate you want. So for example, I'm going to do 360 degrees of twist, which is one full circle in 30 centimeters, which is about 1 turn in 12 inches, just for this example. That's kind of a normal twist rate. So 360 divided by 30 is going to be equal to x, which will be the angle that we want it to go up by, divided by 1 millimeter. So when it goes up 1 millimeter, which I extruded that 1 millimeter, for this example it needs to rotate 1.2 degrees, which that ratio that I showed on the screen helps you figure that out. X in that ratio was the angle that it needs to rotate by, and 0.1 was just 1 millimeter. So you just copy it and rotate it. Copy it again, rotate it again. And stack them up like that. Then you just keep copying and rotating. Make sure you keep track of what exact angle you need to rotate it at to get it to line up with what you already have there. The angle will double each time you double the stack, of course. Eventually you'll get it to whatever length you want it to be. You can see it does draw a nice rifling, and you could use this to 3D print a plastic barrel, and then you can use that to make a mold to make a metal barrel, which I'll show in another video.